Bunanda. Is it not? I don't know, God. Why is it?
Hey guys.
A few moments later.
And the way go bambulize and then nasala ka ba babulize or Nigeria agenya go. Ngasile ku ediga.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to
so no onyoko owner everything. Awukhonahali shame.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel, man. I hope that you're good. G-O-O-O-O-D. I'm good. Edwin, I came across something on because I saw it Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, whatever. Aibo, this guy, the hitmaker of Iberi Maru, is stuck in Nigeria. And there's Ikalayo. And he actually went live, and this is what he had to say.
Yeah, guys, Sol Babi Entertainment die wrong. Too short and the DJ go get to destroy and too short. That the ones who knows the truth. Yeah. You see, Slim and Babi they are not wrong. Too short and my DJ they are wrong. Why you don't why want to listen to Nigeria?
See how many people join.
Yeah.
This is not okay. Please, love them. Please.
They are brothers.
Please. You cannot do this. They are brothers. Your brothers, yes. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. They will offend you. You will offend them. But social media is not the way, my baby.
I'm no longer a celebrity.
You are a fucking superstar. Don't do that.
I
didn't come to Nigeria to do this, my
music.
baby. You are not quitting. You are not quitting. You are not giving up. That is not who you are.
Sol Babi and Slim, they are not the ones, no guys. But I'm wrong. They too short. Let go get to destroy.
Too short. You will fix the problem.
Let me
short.
Let me tell you one thing.
Yo.
You guys don't know me. Them they know me. You see? You guys, you are not wrong. Sol Babi Entertainment is not wrong. Too short and my DJ, they know the truth.
But it's a family fight now. Social media, your people here won't even solve it.
It's just, I'm telling them. Too short and my DJ. When they reach South Africa, they are dead already.
Don't do this.
And I swear to God.
Guys, please. I need you guys to understand that it's a family thing, right? And we are trying to fix it. And everything is going to be okay, right? Everything is going to be okay. I think it's gonna be okay.
I wanna go back to South Africa.
You will, my love. You will. Calm down. Calm down. Jiri Mashigo, do not be a loser. You will never lose. Ne? What makes you strong? What makes you strong? You know what makes you strong? Your ability to fight your challenges. right?
No.
What you're doing is not okay.
How?
It shows weakness. You
I'm
cannot
weak.
cry. No, you're not weak.
I'm
You're
weak. Yeah,
strong.
I'm weak. Yeah, then I'm weak. It's fine. I'm weak. I wanna go back to South Africa. I'm
Because
weak.
of what? Because of Too
You
Short
guys
and
are not
your
wrong.
DJ.
You guys are not wrong.
Did you
Too
come?
Short
Did
and
you
my
come
DJ.
here because of Too Short and your DJ? You're not here. You're
Yeah,
here for your brand.
They are them.
And you're doing well.
They are them.
Nigeria is getting to know you.
Give me a chance. I must talk.
Oh yeah, sorry, talk.
They are them who introduced me to you all guys.
Okay.
You know that, ne?
Right?
You guys, I don't know you all.
Alright.
So by entertainment, I wrong, never for it. Too short on the DJ.
Ish.
I wanna go back to South Africa.
You will. You will.
When?
You will. You will. You will. I don't know. Right now, I don't even know what to say. The way you are, you need to sleep. You need to sleep.
I won't sleep.
What can we do to make you happy? What can we do? I think it's better. Let's get Too Short and
Fuck them. They mustn't come here.
why?
No, they mustn't come here. They mustn't come here. They mustn't come here. Then you tell me they know what.
You see, your fans are crying with you. This is not nice.
It's nice.
It's not nice.
I'm no longer a celebrity.
You are
Fuck
a
music.
Don't say that.
Fuck Sony. Fuck Pori.
Yo.
Fuck them. Yeah.
Stop.
No.
Don't say that.
Them they know why I'm
Don't
here.
say that. Don't say that. You cannot say that, please.
The money for Birimarung I want it.
Not on live. Don't talk about that now.
I'm talking
You
about
are
it. I'm talking about
please,
it.
please. As a big sister, can you at least respect me? Respect me.
This thing is a setup. I know.
What is
I
a
know.
setup?
You see, you guys are not wrong. Too Short and my DJ, they know the truth.
People are calling me.
Yeah, they
People
must
are
call you.
calling me.
You are not wrong. You are not wrong.
Yeah.
You are not wrong. Then sharp. It's fine. I can go out on my life. I wanna go back to South Africa. Case closed. Please.
And you just end the life. End the life.
Yeah, you are happy.
End the life.
Soul Vibe Entertainment is not wrong. Too Short and the DJ. Yeah, you are happy.
No. The information you're giving them is not right.
It's right.
It's not right.
Even now.
It's not right.
I must lie to my fans. I quit music from today.
Why?
Because of them.
You're quitting music because of your DJ.
Yeah, and Too Short.
Too Short.
Yeah.
Why? Does it make sense?
When you said on MTV base 6 months that you want to win BET award.
Yeah, I'm
This
done.
is how you're going
now,
to win
yeah.
BET Awards.
Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I'm done.
No. End the life. End the life, please.
I'm done. Yeah.
End the life, please.
Yeah, but I'm done.
No
You
problem.
guys are not wrong. Soul Vibe Entertainment is not. Too Short and my DJ, Coco to Destroy.
What did they do?
They know why
What-
I'm here.
what did they do?
They know why I'm here. My DJ told me that's why he doesn't wanna come with me in Nigeria. He knows what you wanna do. to me.
What?
Call him and you
Okay,
must
so
come
since
here.
you've been
Call
here,
him.
okay, no. Since you've been here, have we done anything
No,
wrong?
I haven't.
Ne?
Yeah, you haven't. That's what I'm telling even my friends. You, Soul Vibe
You understand? It's
You
not
are
about
not wrong.
it's not
But
about the fans.
our-
Fans, we love your fans.
Yeah.
This is a mess. This is a big mess. But
Ah, please, it's not a
we
mess.
just need to.
No longer celebrating. I quit music. These people are using us.
Which people?
Yeah, them.
Them.
Sony and Paul and everyone.
Stop it. Oh my
Eh,
God. I don't want to be a part
I'm
of
a
it.
gangster. Then I'm
You
killing
are not a gangster.
I'm a
Stop,
gangster.
guys.
I'm a
please stop
gangster.
it.
No,
Stop,
why?
Stop it. Don't do that. What are you doing?
This thing is a setup. First it was Scorpion Kings. It was Val.
Do you know your life?
BLK.
Do you know your life, my boy?
Limpopo.
Do you know your life?
Nah.
See what you're doing.
Mm.
See what you're doing.
This thing is a setup. I know it. And I know the people who's doing this. My life come first, my soul come first.
Can
I
we-
believe in God.
Can we end the life?
No, I can't end this.
Please.
You are not wrong.
I know, I understand. It's not
Him is
about
not
me
wrong.
now. It's not about
Yeah,
us.
you are
But it's
happy.
about, I am not happy. There's no way I will be happy. There's no way
But you said I must go
expect
live.
me.
But you said I must go live.
Yes, you have to explain it because everybody is calling us.
You are not wrong. Sharp.
Everybody is calling
Baba
us.
wrong, guys. Like, Soul Vibe Entertainment are wrong. Too short to go to destroy. They know the truth. Or why Nagit Nigeria for Kwedi? Oh yeah, I'm done with music. I'm a gangster. Yeah, I'll shoot them.
Stop it.
Yeah, I swear. I'd rather go to prison.
Hey,
You are happy. You are not involved.
please, can you end it? End it and delete.
Guys, all was on it. It's all right. Nigeria, guys. I got to regret. batho ba tlile le bona pele ba fitlang ba nyako ntšhentšhetsa like le bitsa ke nto ke re ba nrekele tekete ke boe tšhelete ya digigi tseo ba ikhipe ba ra gone re go tswa ka Nigeria bona ba saenne contract le ditlapo a bophelo bo boima guys ane boiko ba mpodisa le nna sala ka ke ba bodisa gore Nigeria a kenya go nka se tle go edi kama la tlalanya guys mara ga bona le no ba ntšhile ke iwane la bona ke iwane la re bolela ka bošona rong re bolela ka osane wrong re nyaka ditšhelete tsa rena mo magorotmaneng wrong naife ka sata ke sa teng a ena flop mara e ka isirang polane gore ke boeng na one gore ko boa ka di-30 ke sharp irang polane gore ke boeng ka lekopela a ba emenyana if iso wa sekene baba a re yenše ne gore joinisa lo tse re sa nyakong o di join le re tloela masepa le Chacho, what's the Mohammed my post? Abaz, Marbona, Mama's phone. My friend is in the kitchen. Find the money who show ya working 64 million. 64 million. You might go to show him Malia Perimaru. Among niggas, Maliam, Baban. Like I never 23 million about that money. Yeah, just the Perimaru and keeping home and carry far. Affect the industry. Why is you about? What I'm familiar with what I'm with it in a spetty mad.
Speech Malieto.
7,000.
Speech. Chele demon now. Ajo. Bafana babanyani mo strateng ba shebetse go wena jo if wetsa so
ba lori
dilo tse
ajo me message ashi message 130 just because of gena le two shot ga semfe tšhelete ga motel tšhelete ga ena re o munya lo mo
bro to think wena no mpudziso le do king detsa wona for speech ka rena bana asinto yeah uzozibonela nawe shebe uwena same thing
na bena ke ngwana e monna ke ngwana ba dimo na le modimo o mothata ya ke rapele sathane na ke wa modimo tšhelete ga ka nyaka I phone mali ya mina e batlo mbona ka hafa batho e mana from la angsa keep music baba ipire marung mfuna 23 million baba ga funa ba yeke ke fuck everything ka tlewa bile mo gimi marotman bile re tsela go tlase le itse mara speech o braga like respect the marotman ga khopela 7,000 yaka o ga se mbotso re ka ba nna ke na le thušo mo Nigeria wena o ka se nromele tšhelete ga thušo to influencer ke lo mang lo zo braga because from the start re tlo start the celebration re utlwane ka eng khopelo nromele 7,000 yaka marotman bile ba ikirang ga re ba tshore sa ga ba sena sa ara e bona tabe ya bona na re tla di family ntse le rona di a sokola rotments la tšhelete ga go elwele sa eda ga sata ora ke sate tšhelete ga go elwele no just because of kitlile le thušo to Nigeria or thušo to influence on romela me message me bjang guys a ke a mputseng gore ke rome na e nyaka tšhelete ene ngwe ke emetseng ke a Perimaru
nna ke tsena mo kae
ai nne ya nyeng email mina e Perimaru marotman na bia ngutele vari mjama wa igrisa jo sentse re nyeke tšhelete rena ba nye gore 13
how
mina if nyafa fane ke ngife baba engwe tšhelete ke emetseng ke a Perimaru speech o romela 7,000 ya dirotman wa go BLK wa go BK o mboditse gore braga o file zaga o tsere tšhelete wa tseya di-champagne go yena na if santse ke sate braga le nna kwa strata la bana go ke le mfane ke ola ne ntse ke le tsotsi e braga na go o letse mo strateng ka le go utswa difounu ke irang mo ke sa ida mfa tšhelete aka ora ena flow a pele rapela modimo mo wa no boletse ka abza me braga a re sa irang ka re wena modimo o tsamagalang bothimo re rapela modimo mo wa ene nna ntse le re le nyako ngirisa tsona o ne re go dira nna kwa modimo le badimo tšhelete ka rotman tseleng kolota ba botlhe ba le itse gore lang kolota kgopelang tšhelete speech o boss wa gago o itse gore ka go respecta mara no no wa lona nna ke la pele wa bona ke na le two-shot just because of ngize nawe lang jam batho wena
why angifaka mina just because ungina ngihopile tšhelete yaka nahlulwa ke 2000 kambulela ka kwena wa itse keng tloela tšhelete o sa ngalo ngalo
hayi no flow bona more bo difene tsa ga tsa gore bola keng if ka sata ke sata one thirteen re na kwa strata ko strateng khale ba sa moni enyenyeng na re tsore fame re tsore wivi la re need amare la re gatekeeper engwe ke emetseng ke tšhelete Pirimorong o bjale voice ka lwana fela ana ke embe Pirimorong ke bine lo re ntse tšentše tšhelete lo re ntse tšentše family ya ke otle ape go borena bana nang ka rena re tsore ditšhelete ne tšhelete di waitse mara na ena flow ba re keng ke keng if ka sata ke sateng mara nna modimo ke marapelang a se senae le badimo ba nyoko le botsa marotmana otlhe le dilo tse le gore le ntlisitse mo Nigeria le mmesitse go Scorpion Kings la mmesa o PK la mmesa BLK la mmesa go Limpopo le mmesa motlhe a go no re long kry-a ka le botsa modimo ke marapelang go boima re feng tšhelete ya rena re bereka boima Pirimorong ke yona pine santse tšhentše bophelo baka a na ke la pile rotmans a no e re ke le botseng engwe le nngwe ke yona if ke wo a ibeng wo a wa tshwana rapelo ratiwa nna batswadi ba rena no bana nang ka rena re tsore tšhelete re sena yona e go lena le info tse nna re dirilang it's not like re rekile tšhelete ya Pirimorong a ke so jele sente ke emetse ke go bona lena mabasibisa ma-eventeng ba funa seperforme mahala masingafaka kuma-poster abasi ini zona lezi ini zona lezi and then jikijiki ba tlorwa no influencer nna ko mogolo bara ke na le 23 years a no re thušotang keng influencer kale ke le mo strateng sentse ke le mfana
okay sharp ku influencer ka eng ka o kupele tšhelete ya gago
bara ka 7,000 mara mo betha dikutši 7,000
fake life
a re ko fe tšhelete a o thušota o influencer wona o tsena kae
mfethu
wona o tsena kae
akanayo ayikho anali yona tšhelete e
ana imele mina imali ya ka Pirimorong ngiyakutshela baba iPirimorong fanele ngithengele iPorsche ngithengele iRestring ngithengele mamama indlu nami ngithenge indlu lotso tsotlhe tse le reng like le nyoko dira khale ke di bone di badimo ba mpontshitse tsona go pele le modimo ke marapela lotso o na o ne re go dira mventšheletaka fela awo if ke wa reng o papa if santse ke lempolae le nnete a ena follow as long South Africa ya itse gore Pirimorong ke ya mang o iralang o re ka yaka tso nna manga tso ba rile di-show tse kae bara ka ba no re fa tšhelete rena ama-show o Chris Brown o kuthatse Mzansi na tlo performa Pirimorong David o ratle Mzansi na tlo performa Pirimorong santse re fuwe ditšhelete tsa rena marotmana ba nyako tore tšheleteng gore bona ke bona ba strata if ke warrieng a wa tshwana rotmans e nna re lapile a na re lapile mmekgale le mmesa na modimo ke morapelang ko mogane o boletse ka bzare sa tuirang ka re wena modimo o tsamagalang bokini ene le re nita lenyaka re tle re šiane re le nita lena le tle le šiane ga le bone gore la re usa gape nna fame re like ntho e tla ko modimong it's not like ba re like emampele a itleng tšhelete ya rena a menang ya fone maleang a beraka emana Pirimorong from bang niketse mala Pirimorong science music i-industry ngiyayikhwita baba i-evil le industry ngakutshela manga kusasa re tsuba di-drugs gore re gafa motla ba re
that's why some people they go through those things
ilama gore mani bafuna ukutshonyisa abantu izinto abangasifuni sifuna imali yethu mina ngifuna ngingakufaki mina ke nyanga tšhelete yaka ayifike wariyeng ke watshwana speech obara kakhopela 7,000 yaka
nami speech ngisengiyayifuna yami imali ngiyayifuna
hayi baba
ngiyayifuna ngithi uyangifaka endabeni zenu
hayi baba
ngisengiqolele ngithi angisayifuni ngi-right ngoba shem ngiyabona ukuthi shem ayikho
na unobetha Gucci baketeta Gucci ke 11,000 awuna 7,000 ero romele jimashiwo awuna 7,000 ero romele jimashiwo and then nyoko ntretena gore ka gore wena ko wena wa strata direct man o na re mboditse gore braka wena o tsere di-champagne ka mara shopae tsere di-champagne and then o tlo mpotse gore he ke tlile eventeng ka one braka monaka nna ke celebrity ke superstar re ko botsa if santse ke sata mara South Africa le lefatshe di itse nnete gore Pirimorong yam Pirimaro belongs to me. If you war yenge ho. Aba menyana marot mani. Na re lapile ke mna ga tsuwa man.
Abono Roja.
Aba menyana. If iso wasieni baba. Rienje. No go join isa lo teresa nya go di join. La tloela masiba le. Chacho, wa ka mo khutman ma post. Abazi maribona mama sifuna. Bafanele sizikitchen. Benza malini kule show ya barking.
64 million.
64 million. Ngemali ba host show ngemali ya Pirimaro. Pamangnikeza imali yami baba. Nakenya ka 23 million on top of that money. Yeah, just the Pirimaro angisakhiphi ingoma ngikutshela ivarage. Affect the industry. Why siyuza baba? Ocabanga la amafamily wethu bacabanga ukuthi thina siphethe imali.
Speech imali yethu.
7,000 man.
Speech chelete monna. Ajo. Bafana babanyani mo strateng ba shebetse ko wena jo if wetsa so
ba lori
dilo tse
ajo me message ashi message 130 just because of ke na le two shot ga sem feature ta ga motel chala ta ena ro munya lo mo
bro to think wena no mpudziso le do king den sa wona for speech ka karina afana asinto yeah uzozibonela nawe shebe uwena same thing
nabe ngake ngwana emana ke ngwana badimo na le modimo o mothata ya ke rapele Satan na ke wa modimo tshela ta ga nyaka iPhone mali ya mina e ba tlombona ka hafa batho emana from la angisakhiphi music baba iPirimaro ngifuna 23 million baba ngafuna bayeke ke fuck everything kahle kahle
yo mina first things first anginayo imali because not so long ago bekuyelo
Airing 17 Pro Max Mo Ngwana.
Pro Max 1 tera ai ka le re le bone di self made le do self made ke nna manye ke nyoso mvana batla motleke fela mvana ke ntse mpole tshumvu mo itse ke fola go shabandiri la bandiri fela masupa self made le mpole ya kana a re bone ba le nna le ja cheese na ka e robala 17 Pro Max 1 tera ai ka o tsa video go shibo botle ka nne mpone yo ka nne ke mitse melde le di bona ka mo ni di nyeke cheap power jo mampela di nke gamer la bone a re batsa so fe la itse re mata kya ji power jo mara re ke batete amar Nigeria guys ora ke tso software ta nna or nna ke rata software
yo mina nginayo imali nginayo nje ukudonate nina ngixaka guys ni flash nisitshela ukuthi impilo soft life bese zithi mase zinikhalela sekumele thina futhi ngifahlanganise imali. Yes, I hope ukuthi uyabuya safe and abe safe even where he is. Even this other guy said this on Twitter, on Facebook. Umuntu uqeda kuvuka yazi. Yeah. So yeah, I do pray ukuthi abe grand and abuye safe. But anginayo nje imali, anginayo because nje post ama video ephilele soft life khona lapha eNigeria. And mapholisa ubagila, mapholisa bagila. Futhi lengane encane. Should apparently what I'm getting from these videos is that the guy went to perform in Nigeria. I'm not sure if it was specifically just for this post, but check this out. So yeah, he went to perform. Shuti says so. Assume our jazz, and everything on this video and channel is alleged, by the way. Uguti, he did not know. Uguti, there was a contract that was signed. And you never know. We thought the contract to Italy and I sign to go and perform there, but azanga be ukuthi uzohlala isikhathi esingakanani. mhlawumbe uvela ibonela imali and did not really read. Sibiza ngane fine print or sizothina le nuggets. Mara I don't know, because what he's saying is that manje yena sifuna ukubuya eSouth Africa and lamajita sebamkhokha block uThabo abafuna ukumnikeza imali and ubatla nje i7 tower and usafuna nemali yakhe 23 million that was made from a beer. I understand. So manje stuck le mina understand bafethu kani nina akusekho nokuncane mhlambe nikubekayo nje. Mina I always say this, if you are in the entertainment industry, make sure ukuthi uyitholile RDP yakho somewhere, uzitholele iteze yakho somewhere, thatha ubeke khona. Gcwalise leyo RDP yakho ushiye kanjalo. Noma ungaqhashisa kuyo or ushiye one again or something, but you just have something that is in your name. Not something lavish kanjani lokho. Because nayo lento lavish iyokufuna uyokuthatha 100 years ukuthi uqede uyibhadala. And it's something lavish nina abanye might even take this what I'm saying ukuthi ngithamba uqhasha ilentuzana endaweni lavish cha uhamba uqhasha because that is not in your name. So nje RDP yakho kuphi uzibekele yona uyazi ukuthi the days ikhalela you have i1 rand 2 rand something yani saved up. Manje uphila soft life lapha eNigeria shutha imoto ezicute ezidope and stuff. Yes, okunye ngenzeka kube just for i-content and all of that, but enye into ephinde i-bad amanye ama-side effects content is that yabo njengami mina anginayo imali angeke nje ngikhiphe imali ngikhiphe umuntu ebephila nje manje soft life fana no the les mina even said the same thing with yo or the les uhlala pop champagne begqwama ubenza ama all rights party and every 2 seconds manje sekufanele sihlanganiseni for ama yeah shempa tena abuye safe yazi abantu boy and siqala nokuyeka ilentuzana music because you ukhathela. Do I think that le mali ifuna izoyithola? Lol. Yeah, tell me what you think about this whole thing down below and sure. And also keep in mind of it.